Hey y'all, quick little tidbit on Headstall. So this is a snaffle bit setup. I've got split reins on it. I have a curb strap on it. This one has a brow band and this one also has a throat latch. The reason on a snaffle bit that we like to ride with a throat latch and a brow band is simply to keep it on. A lot of times if you pull back with both reins pretty hard on a snaffle bit instead of bending your horse, but if you're pulling back on both reins and you don't have a brow band and you don't have a throat latch, then when you pull back, you can actually cause the headstall to flip up and over their ears. So the throat latch and the brow band help keep that on their head. Your throat latch adjustments, you want it pretty loose. You know, I like to be able to put a full hand in there. My curb strap on a snaffle bit, I like to keep it really loose. Not to the point where it's kind of flopping and irritating the horse. I pay attention to that, but I keep that curb strap pretty loose on a snaffle bit because it's not a leverage bit. The only reason we have a curb strap on a snaffle is so that we don't pull the bit through their mouth if we need to get control of a horse. Another headstall that I will ride in a snaffle bit with a snaffle bit is a split ear. So this is a regular headstall. There's no brow band like this one, and there's no throat latch like this one, but I do have a split ear, so it splits and goes over the far ear. And I do ride horses in a snaffle with this headstall, and I've never had it come off, but the split ear seems to kind of keep the headstall where it needs to be, right up here behind the ears, and it kind of keeps it from popping up and over their ears. You can ride your horses with a shanked bit without a brow band and without a throat latch, because as these reins are activated, it actually pulls down a little bit on the pull. So when you use your reins on a shanked bit, it'll actually kind of snug up the headstall on the pull area instead of making it loose when you pull back with both hands on a snaffle. So that's a little bit on headstalls. So there you go. Thanks for watching.